Welcome back. I'm going to explain about Canva. Canva is a basic and the basic or mini graphic designing tool. So just go to the Google and type Canva, and you will see this link, and just click on this and register to the Canva with your Gmail ID. Okay. So it is like, as I already told you, it is a basic graphic designing tool which helps you to create content and helps the professionals to create a visually appealing posters, or see here, you can see the presentation, social media content, or 1 minute. Yeah, presentations, Instagram post, posters, Instagram story, resumes, videos, invitations, birthday invitations or inauguration invitations, emails, email templates, and logo, mobile video, flyers, Facebook post, brochures, business cards, website sheets, and many more. Okay, and it is the best part in this is it's a simple drag and drop type of designs, right? And once you open the Canva, you can register it free of cost through your Gmail ID. And if you want to utilize the advanced features, then you need to go for the pro version. As of now, for the beginners, the free tool, the free options, whatever the Canva is giving, that is enough, right? So here, when you click on your designs, you can see all the designs whatever you have created uh, using this Canva tool. Templates means, so you will get all the templates, whatever the template you want. Just click on that template. For example, if you click on poster, so you will get all different types of templates, poster templates. So you can select as per your requirement, as per your products or as per your services. You can select the template and you can use that one. Okay. So once you open this, you will see the left side, you will see the menu. So create means, if you want to create anything, any social media post, social media post, presentations, whatever it may be. So you can click on plus here and create plus, and you can create that one, start creating that one. And projects, what all the projects you have, right? So example, after some time you may be having 4 to 5 clients, right? So if you start creating everything in the Canva, so it will be like uh, confusing, clumsy, right? So you can create folders, okay, and you can make that creative, you can in that folders, so it will look very organized. Projects are nothing but the folders. So click here, I will show you my folders. So these are all the folders. Okay. And then templates, the same thing, whatever the templates you get from here, or after you clicking on create, so all the templates you can see. So there are three, from 3 places you can select the template. And once, let's create one a card. So so we can see all the options, right? So create, so select one Instagram post. Okay, you can select the size also. So let's create one card and we can see all the options right here, the design. Okay, after clicking on the create, you will see the design, elements 90% of the creatives depends on these elements. Once you click on elements, you will get everything like shapes, graphics, 3ds, animations, photos, videos, and grids, videos. Okay, photos, frames, grids, videos, audio, mock-ups, charts, form, sheets, tables, everything. Mainly you will be using the graphics, photos, and videos most of the time. Okay, and sometimes audio also. And text, you need to add some content on your creative, right? So whenever you want to add some content, some line, sentence, or anything, you can get the text from here. And uploads, so once if you want to upload after creating a greeting card, so maybe for one of your friend you are going to create a greeting card, so Canva don't have his or her photo in the Canva data, so you need to upload that photo from your device to the Canva, and then you can use that photo here. And tools, Yeah, these are simple tools. You can explore that one. And apps we will discuss later. Okay. Let's design one uh, birthday card. Okay. So that you can explore few options. Okay. Happy birthday card. Okay. And when you type this, whatever you want, happy birthday card means it will show all the templates. You can select the template. So now you are using the free version. So if you see this some is symbol, it is the premier version. You can't use this template. Even if you use this template after creating the entire design, if you click on download, it will not allow you to download because it's a free version. It's a paid template in the free version. So select the template. If you are using the free version, select these type of template without any symbol. This one, or this is also free. This is paid. This is free. Okay, and again this is paid, right? So search and use the free template only. Okay, if you are going to create any inauguration type of or invitation type of card, okay, invitation, wedding invitation or whatever it may be. So it will show all the templates related to the invitations. You can use any of these templates, right? So now we have decided to create a birthday greeting card. Let's create a birthday greeting card. Birthday wishes. Anything. Birthday card, birthday greeting card, birthday wishes or anything. Select. Here it is showing the video type of creative also. Select any template. Okay. For example, this is the template and which template you want to select. Mm. So first one seems to be very nice. So I'm going to select this template. Okay. This is the paid one, I think. So try to select the free version. This is a free, right? So mine is the paid version. So I have selected this paid thing. Okay. So here we already have the happy birthday content. So directly you can use this one. Okay. And it is using frames, I think. Yeah. So here I have deleted this photo because it is someone else photo and I want to create a birthday cards of one celebrity, or let's see whose birthday is in this month, or mm, 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 some celebrity. Some Prabhas. Okay, we already created one greeting card for Prabhas. Let's create one greeting card from hero actor Prabhas, right? So I'm going to delete that one. I have already uploaded his photo because in one of the class I have created one with birthday greeting card for Prabhas. So let's create that card. Okay. So I have already downloaded from the Google. General, we should not download any photos, but because he's a celebrity, we can download. We are going to create a birthday card, right? So I'm adjusting this photo here. Okay. So now I have deleted the previous one and I have adjusted this one. If you want to make it big, just drag. Okay, just drag and drop. It's the Canva is very, very simple. Okay. So here, see, here the flowers are going backside. Either you can drag, it is detachable, it is not attached with this frame. So you can drag this flower like this, or if it is attached, if you can't drag, what you can do is you want to push this photo to the backside, little bit backside, right? So what you can do is position, okay, just back. Yeah. So now the flowers are coming to front. It is clearly visible, right? So happy birthday. And here we can write the name of that person, Pravas. Okay. Pravas, may the joy that you have spread in the past to come back to you on this day, something, whatever you want, you can type, right? So if you want to change the text, you can change the text, select and you can change the text, and even you can change the font also. So now once you select here, so this is the entire card, entire creative, and here it is showing, it is the AI. Recently Canva has added this one. So this is the magic BG, and we can change the BG. It is for only paid version, so I'm not going to talk about this. Okay. And animate, if you want to animate this one, and position, we have already used this for position for this flower, right? So now if you select the text. You want to now, I didn't like this font and also color. I want to change the font of this and also color of this text. Okay, select this one. Okay, you can see the font here. It is Poppins and the size also you can see. Okay, first I want to change the font. Okay, left side you will see all the font. So these are all the free versions. Okay, if you see this symbol, it is a paid one. You can't add this any font with this symbol, right? So use any free font. Okay, so just to show you how it will look, how you can change the font, I just change the font. Actually the previous font is better than this one. Now I want to change the color of this font also, right? Size, if you want to change, you can increase or decrease the size, right? And if you want to change the color, you can change here. Okay, color of the font, some red color or some orange color or some green color, whatever the color you want, you can change here. So now somewhere in this content, I think it has some animation. I don't know. Okay. So this is the basic greeting card. So if you want to add any elements, now balloons are also available here. If you want to add some cake, okay. So go to elements here. From elements only you will get photos, videos, graphics and everything, right? So just I will type cake. Okay, when you type that word keyword, so it will show graphics, photos, and 3D videos, frames, and everything related to this word, right? So if you want to add photo, your wish, you can add that photo. But now I want to add some graphics. Okay, some which cake is better for Prabhas. This seems to be a little bit colorful, so I like this cake. So I'm going to add this cake. Okay, just and somewhere we need to, okay, this position or somewhere wherever you want you can add that one. Okay, so now this is the basic and simple without any animation, right? If you add animation we can add music, but all those effects we will see in the next video while creating the presentation. In the next video what we will do is like how you do the PPT presentation, like this we will be doing in the Canva also. While doing that presentation with 10 or 9 slides, we will work on different features. Okay, now this is the basic greeting card template. Click here. Okay, and when you click on download, it will show different formats. There is no animation here, so it is not showing anything, right? Like a video, right? JPG format, PNG format, PDF format, PDF print format. If you want to take the printout, better you download in this format. SVG, I don't know. And best for web design and animations, that one. Okay, and MP4, it will be like a video format. GIF format, like a clip, no sound. And PPTX, it is like if you create slides. Next video, we are going to create slides PPT. So if you create that PPT, you can download like this. Now I am going to download. Okay. And here also limit size. This is for the paid version. Compress file or transparent black background. Okay. That option is there. You can explore that one. So click on download. Okay, this is the card. Simply you have downloaded. If you know Prabhas, if you have his contact number, so then send this greeting card, beautiful greeting card to Prabhas. Okay. Thank you.